In this video, we will demonstrate how to completely erase the information on your iPhone by performing a factory reset. Let's begin by selecting the Settings option. Scroll to the General option. In General, scroll down to select Reset. We want to select Erase All Content and Settings. When you select Erase All Content and Settings at the bottom of the screen, it will ask if you want to delete all media, data, and reset all settings. Select Erase iPhone. Again, you will get another message at the bottom of the screen checking if you are sure you want to continue, as all the media, data, and settings will be erased and cannot be undone. Select Erase iPhone. It will then go to a black screen with the Apple logo. This iPhone has now been factory reset. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at 1-800-636-6680 or visit your local Nemont office. Thanks for watching.